All right, in this quick video, I am going to show you how to set up and automate the process of affiliate website building. This is absolutely one of the fastest ways to do this. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to use this test site right here, and we're going to leverage a brand new plugin, which I'm going to show you. And of course, you can access it with the link below, so don't worry about that. If I click on one of these posts here, this is an example of what you can create. So what we have here is an auto-generated blog post that is actually created by going to YouTube and grabbing a video and then sending the video transcript into ChatGPT. And then what ChatGPT will do is actually summarize the video and create a blog post out of it. So this is absolutely fantastically simple and highly valuable because it will create unique content. It is actually using the transcript from the video in order to create this blog post. So you're going to have relevant information, you're going to have unique content, and it will be auto-generated for your blog. It is an immensely fantastic tool, and I highly recommend it. So how does this actually work? So once we set up our WordPress website, we're going to install the plugin. So I'm going to use my dummy site here, go to the dashboard. The tool is called YT Evolution, and of course I will include the link below. We have a couple of options, so we're going to go to the dashboard. I'm going to show you how it works. So inside the dashboard, we can add channels and playlists, and this is kind of where the magic comes in. The magic is being able to automate the process. So depending on your niche, no matter what it is that you have, you can find channels that are pumping out content on a regular basis for that niche. And of course, you can add that channel into a playlist inside of YT Evolution so that every time a new video is posted, it will automatically go in and create a new post based on the transcript, okay, and the video, of course. Now we have additional options here. We can add videos specifically with a URL. We can search for specific videos that we want if you're going to do this manually, which you absolutely can. You can skip videos if you don't want certain ones to show up in your posts. You can change displays and so forth. So it's really, really easy. Just going to give an example here. So if we go into search for videos, let's say that my niche here is ChatGPT for real estate. So give that a moment here to load. Okay, so I had searched here ChatGPT for real estate, and what you can do is you can sort by a number of different things. For how popular the video is, the title, if it needs to be more SEO relevant for certain keywords, rating, date, etc. Now when we scoot down here, we can see all of these different options that are showing up. And all we have to do to create a new post is to scroll down and hit the publish button. Now when we publish, again, it's going to go through that process, sending the transcript to ChatGPT, of course, and then creating your new post. It is as simple as that. Now when I talked about adding channels and playlists, of course, you can use and search for a username, a channel name, or a channel ID. You can also search for a certain type of playlist based on keywords. And then all you need to do is to subscribe the channel to YT Evo, and it will automatically create that content. This is absolutely the fastest way to get an affiliate site up and going. And then of course, all you need to do is put your ads or whatever you're using to monetize affiliate links in the content or in the sidebar. There are additional tools to automatically do that as well, but I just wanted to show you this one. Now there are a couple of things that you are going to need here. You will need a YouTube API key, which is really easy to get. You can find a million videos online about how to do that. Of course, it is free. And of course, what you're going to need to do is to put in your ChatGPT API key, which you can get right here from OpenAI. So very simple to get. You'll enable your ChatGPT, and of course, you can set up your options here. I always get asked about this. There are many different languages that it will support, and you can alter some of these individual sections in terms of what your content includes. You can rewrite the titles, or you can use the exact same thing. You can rewrite descriptions and captions. Of course, a lot of people will use links in their descriptions in their videos, and you can have ChatGPT rewrite that information as well. You can select the content length. Okay, it doesn't always work out exactly perfectly with ChatGPT, but we still have the option. There are some additional components that you can add if you're using different types of content creators. These are kind of older, but they're still available in there. And of course, you can even use just straight subtitles in here, which we don't generally use this, but we're mostly looking for ChatGPT because that is the newest offering. Okay, so once we're done, again, you should see that this site is constantly pumping. And if you have an automated link building software and of course an internal linking plugin as well, you'll be able to link all this content together and rank specifically for all of those keywords with high quality content. So make sure you grab a hold of this plugin. It is dirt cheap. I'm going to include the link below. Get started on it and be sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos on how to be successful with AI using AI Marketing Ninja. Thanks for watching.